name's Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to cold soak red kidney beans. Sometimes when you have a little extra time on your hands, it's great to use the cold soak method for your kidney beans. To get started, you will want to get your traditional dried red kidney beans. I put them on a plate so then I can search them for stones. There's usually a little warning on the bag that says check for stones, and it's good to check. So they try their hardest to get out all the little imperfections and stones from the beans, but sometimes you can get a little rock in there, so you want to make sure not to chip a tooth. Okay, now that I've checked my red kidney beans for rocks, they are ready to cold soak. I've got a large bowl of cold water, and now I'm just going to put my kidney beans in there. You want to make sure to have the water about 3 times or more higher than the height of the kidney beans. This will give them enough room to expand. Now that your kidney beans are in the cold water, you just need to let them soak overnight. You can let them actually sit for up to 2 days, but make sure that you switch the water every 24 hours. By refreshing the water, it helps the beans get moisture and it pulls out some of those extra additives that we don't really want. Once your red kidney beans have been soaking for at least overnight, they are ready for your favorite recipe. This is Mariko showing you how to cold soak red kidney beans. Enjoy.